Welcome back, everybody. 2014 Nissan Pathfinder SL Hybrid Supercharged. Rare bird, best of both worlds. You're going to get fantastic gas mileage, third row seating, leather, panoramic roof, power rear gate, trailer tow pack, auxiliary line in, streaming audio, satellite radio, black on black leather. Super nice truck, one owner of course, 13 dealer service records, all preventative maintenance has been handled at this point. Guaranteed credit approval program. These vehicles are starting around $1,595 down. Lots of 2014 SUV for $1,595 starting. Leather wrapped wheel, switch off 4x4, power, everything. Third row seating, alloys, good tires, service and safety inspected. Going to get 3 months, 4,500 miles on the complete drive line. Going to get a perfect one owner Carfax, and you're getting approved. DasCleveland.com.